Hi, my name is Priyanshi
Hi,
Negi
myself
and I am a learner at
Drishyavani. I
Unified
have
Mentor.
completed my
Today I am presenting my
internship with
project.
Unified
My
Mentor
project
as a
includes
full
arrest
stack web
classification project,
development intern. It
Netflix
was a
data cleaning
great learning
project, drug
experience.
side
I
effects and
got to
medical
work on the
condition project,
projects like
unlocking YouTube channel
weather app,
performance
which uses
equipment
API
project.
integration, or
The
student
goal of
teacher
this
booking
project
appointments,
was
which
to
also uses
solve the
Firebase and
exploratory
Cloud
data analysis,
Firestore. I
removing
had
null values
such
and
a great
visualize
time
the
working on this
datasets
project,
provided.
which
I
makes my
used
knowledge
Python,
or
Google
my
Colab,
theoretical
project
knowledge
dataset,
worked into
and
the
took
practical
help
ones.
from unified
It
lessons too.
improved my skills
There
in
was a
HTML,
challenge
CSS,
I faced
JavaScript, and
while importing
also I
libraries, but
happened to learn new
I learned
skills
how to
like
overcome with
React,
it.
Node,
Thank you for
and
your
Firebase
time
as well.
and for reviewing my work. You can
I had
find
such
my
a great
code
time.
and
Overall, the
documentation in the
mentors
links
in
provided.
Unified
Thank
Mentor
you.
are so supportive. Any doubts can
Hi,
be
my name
solved
is
if I
Priyanshi
message
Negi
them or
and I
call them
am a
in
learner
any
at
time,
Unified Mentor.
which was a
Today
great
I
thing
am
which
presenting
makes
my
every
project.
task
My project
easier.
includes arrest
Thank you,
classification project,
Unified Mentor,
Netflix
for
data cleaning
giving me
project,
this
drug
opportunity,
side
and I'll
effects and
recommend to
medical
all the
condition
students
project,
to gain the work
unlocking YouTube channel
experience
performance
and the
equipment
real
project.
life experience through
The
this.
goal of this
Thank you.
project